How to make a cute cat paw. 2 styles of instructional videos. Wear gloves. Evenly brush a thin layer of petroleum jelly or conditioner, lip balm, or lotion inside the mold. Measure AAB glue in a 1:1 weight ratio using a measuring cup. If you have an electronic scale, the measurement will be more accurate. Use a wooden stick to stir, stirring slowly up and down, left and right. Pour glue into small cups, add pigment, stir along the cup walls. The purpose of the mixing cup is that it is suitable for multicolor product and because the pigment may stick to the wall during the mixing process. The teaching video is to make 2 different styles of cat claws. If you put a small amount of pigment, the finished product will have a translucent texture, and you can add white to make it opaque. If you are worried about uneven mixing of the pigment and color sinking, you can change the mixing cup and continue stirring. Next, add other colors. Blended cat paw. Pour different pigments into separate small cups, then pour them together into the mold. Gently stir in an S shape at the junctions. Wait for 4–5 hours. Allow more time if the temperature is low. Users can demold in water, peel edges with fingertips, and clean Vaseline with cleansing oil and face wash. If you don't mind a slight oily residue, you can place it directly into the bag. After the cat paw is fully dry, add glitter and polymer clay decorations. Place it in a bag. Layer the cat paw. First fill the paw pad area, let it sit for 1 hour. Then switch colors to fill the rest of the paw. If the filling accidentally overflows the edge, you can just wipe it off with a tissue. Wait for about 1 hour to solidify before filling the next layer. The sample video is filled with 3 layers of color. Wait an hour and then fill with pink. Wait for 4–5 hours. Allow more time if the temperature is low. More mold styles reference.